going to prepare a mushroom dish for the main course. It is mushroom kadhai. So let's start. Heat oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter for a while. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. We are going to saute our ginger and garlic till the rawness goes off completely. As the ginger and garlic is roasted, we are going to add 1 cup of onion green chili paste. We are going to cook it till the excess moisture is evaporated. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder. We are going to roast our dry spices till they turn aromatic. Our dry spices are roasted well. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree, salt to taste. Mix everything well. We are going to roast our tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. Now add 1 cup of button mushrooms which are cut in halves. Mix well and let it cook on medium to low flame till the mushroom releases its moisture. Mushroom has started to release moisture. Now we are going to cover the lid and cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let us quickly check on our mushrooms. We are going to stir it occasionally so that our spices doesn't stick to the bottom and they get burnt. Now again cover the lid and let it cook on medium to low flame. Mushrooms have started to release a lots of moisture. We have to keep stirring our mushrooms so that they doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Our mushrooms are almost done. Now we are going to add 1 inch of ginger peas, 1 large capsicum, 2 medium-sized onions. Mix everything well. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, water adjusting the consistency we need in our gravy. Mix everything well and bring it to a boil. Add a little more water. If you find the consistency is too thick, mix it and let it cook till the oil separates. Now add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our mushroom kadhai is ready. Garnish it with some ginger juliennes, fresh coriander leaves. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends.